as you probably know, I'm obsessed with DIYs and food, and since the last video was a DIY, now it's time for a food video, a breakfast idea video, and without further ado, let's move straight into the video. The first idea is an omelette, and I will use for this green pepper, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk and some cheese. I will add the milk and I will mix again. You can obviously add whatever you want inside of your omelette, and I'm only using half of the cheese because the rest we are going to put this at the end. You are going to see. I'm also adding Italian seasonings, salt and pepper, and now let's make the omelette. I'm adding the omelette in a non-stick pan, so I'm using no oil. Add the rest of the cheese and voila, your omelette is done and ready to eat. I think I have showed you this recipe for 100 times on YouTube and on Instagram, so I have a full video with these healthy pancakes and the link will be in the description box if you want to see it. Now let me enjoy these yummy pancakes and I will see you after a few seconds. What a breakfast would be without avocado? No, I don't want to show you avocado on bread with tomatoes, even though it's delicious. For this recipe, I will add an egg and I will let this in the oven. After the egg is ready to eat, I don't know why, but my camera didn't film the whole process, so I have also added Italian seasoning, salt, pepper and tomato sauce. Another breakfast idea is a smoothie. I'm making this using 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of blackberries, 1 frozen banana and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Of course, you can switch this with the fruits that you have or you love, or you can add even more fruits if you want, and now wait it to turn into a juice. If this doesn't fill you up, you can bake some cookies. Yes, I also have a video with the recipe, and if you want to see the video, you can obviously check the description box where I will also insert more breakfast idea or basically food ideas that I've made. And see how easy it was to make a healthy breakfast. We can do better. If nothing lasts forever. We can do better. Okay, this one may be my favorite. Lately, I've been obsessed with smoothie bowls, and if you have a bomb recipe, don't hesitate to share them with us. You can see that I'm adding all the ingredients in a blender, And like I've said, if you have bomb recipes with smoothie bowls, oatmeal, good combinations, just leave them down below because we actually can't wait to make this. I'm pouring the liquid in my beautiful bowl that I really love. I'm just being extra now because I'm filming this video, but also if I'm thinking again, I think that I enjoy food more when I love how it looks. Every time I like to make kind an art when I make oatmeals and smoothie bowls. For the heart, I've used shredded coconut, and as a fruit, I'm adding grapes, and as a nut, I'm adding some cashew, and now let's eat it. So that's all for today. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and comment down below what is your favorite recipe. Send this video to your best friend to see if she or he likes it, and we will see you next time. Bye guys, have an amazing day.